对面吗？哪里？1+2啦，1+2。是这一台吗？SK。
Phone information for you. Your insurance is full protection. Full protection is mean here. Your car type is gasoline. And departure is only pink line. Pink line follow outside step there. Okay. And return is address here. Your car is no navigation. This paper is anything ticket issue, main driver's name, credit card pay. Okay. Your name, credit card information all fill up. Anything ticket issue, your pay, okay?
Okay.
Local address is mean hotel in Jeju, hotel Rainwall hotel address.
Okay, okay.
All fill up.
Okay.
페이스가 안 빠지나 봐. 안 빠져요. 요거 고객님 양쪽에 브레이크 있는데요. 중자 같은.
电话在填的手机。
Your car type is gasoline. Insurance is full protection. Car scratch damage issue, your pay zero. All cover.
Okay.
But two types insurance not covered. And your car here, gasoline level, check is there, stay together.
Okay.
If you start the level, 4 level, return is 4 level.
Okay.
Okay. Address is here.
Okay. Okay.
First floor, outside. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you. F. Fox 3樓怎樣？啊？什麼事？哎，哦，就他嘛。我放在口袋里了啦。
我记得它可以连线。等一下哦。
等一下飞车。
他说到终点的时候停一下，会有工作人员来。他吧？
终点这个吗？这还是法式啊？
哦，好，要绕一圈是不是？
知道。
它叫什么？
安全带。
对啊，你安全带。
牡丹区在哪里？这个吗？
对啦，左转哦。有工作人员？有吗？应该是。要停一下哦，不要直接冲过去。有啊，我的手机在拍。有，他们跟我挥手。
不用看，没关系，就好玩。拜拜。没有会。是加哪一个？
我传给你。这个吗？
嗯。这个吗？
黄色是一般汽油。
然后这个嘞？
要选副排放数，对，3万元大概900块，然后2万元大概600多块。
嗯。
2万。3万。
3万好像看看。
卡要插进去，插哪里？
是吧？
对。你要收据吗？
要不要？然后嘞？
然后油枪。让开那个铃铛机。接一下。